I'm now in Beishan Park, which is located in Yangquan City, North China's Shanxi province. This park was built in 2006 and covering an area of nearly 90 hectares. It is the first smart park in Shanxi. Can you imagine this place was once a wasteland of coal gun? We all know that Yangquan is a coal city. It prospers from coal and also it has produced a large amount of coal gun. But now it has become a beautiful place for people to enjoy life. Now we are in front of Beishan Park and there is a screen. You can use this screen to find what you are interested in this park. It's like a map. Okay, next we will show you more applications of artificial intelligence. Let's go. These are intelligent face recognition cabinets. What you need is only to show your face. Okay, I'll show it. Okay. This cabinet is open. Beside the cabinet, there are intelligent garbage cans. You can download an app and use this app to open and close the cans. And if you use them more, you will have more points. You can use these points to exchange some goods in the app. Okay, it's over here. Let's go to another scenic spot. Let's go. This is an AR interactive game. Of course, it is not a new game, but it is also attractive to people of all age. And you can use your arm to cut the fruits. It can be played by 2 people. Okay, now I will invite my partner Wang Hao to join us. Wang Hao, hello? Hello? Hi. Do you want to play with me?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Please raise your right hand. Okay. My arms also feel a little bit sore, but I still feel very happy. Okay, now let's go to another place. Okay, behind me, that is a piano walkway. This smart piano walkway can make piano sounds and change color when you step on a piano key. I think few body can refuse this kind of relax and happiness. Okay, rely on the Baidu AI technology. Beishan Park is equipped with intelligent screens to teach people martial arts such as Tai Chi. And also it has intelligent tools which can record the data of your exercises and also other equipments. Citizens not only can enjoy the beauty of the ecology but also the freshness of artificial intelligence.